the water. All right, so we're gonna get a new monitor. And this monitor, as you see there, TPMS, is gonna give you all the readings and everything you need to know for everything all at once. And it does have the SD card reader, so you can put SD card in there and it records everything while you're going on the road. You're gonna have the different mounting options as normal. I have this weird thing, but I think I might switch to the suction cup version just because the sticky thing is not really working well. And I'll show you why. So we have 2 signal boosters. This is what's gonna send signal from your TPMS to this, and then from this to your monitor in your truck. We have the actual sensors themselves. Still got to put batteries in them, but you just screw these into each wheel and you will have your TPMS call out or readout. New antennas for the monitors. Different ways of connecting it. It's USB-C to regular 2.0 USB. A lot of little zip ties and just different O-rings, which I'm not sure what they're for. I guess I'm gonna have to look in the instructions. I'm not sure if the O-rings go in here as a waterproofing method, because it seems like you see right here, seems like there's some there, so that they might be just replacement for that. We'll find out. And it's cool, they actually give you the batteries that you need for each TPMS.